Okay, I was interrupted. So the background is Basil cardstock as background. So I just restarted the recording. Sorry. This large layer is Dear Lizzie Stargazer. And I have sizes and everything on my blog. I put more information there. Which my blog is listed in the description below the video. The washi tape is Freckle Fawn. And the wood grain photo mat is Dear Lizzie Documentary from my stash. I'm going to put a black photo mat and then the wood grain. And then those Project Life cards are the Project Life add-on kits. And those are some that have been accumulating. So I'm using a blue ink pad that's from my stash. Those I've had forever. I got those from Hobby Lobby, I believe, years and years ago. They come in a little carrying case. There's a whole bunch of them. And then I'm going to put beside my photo. And then that's super awesome is American Crafts LOL thickers. All the die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio, and the gold stickers are some old Maggie Holmes chipboard stickers. I believe I used that gold hello, that gold heart, those hearts there, the circle embellishment with a heart is Maggie Holmes. And then that pretty much, I'm going to lay down some enamel dots, which are Freckle Fawn and past hip kits. Anyway, so I am going to stop here, let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I will be back with those. Bye, guys.